Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your Marshall Major 5 are charging? And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, on your right ear cup we have USB-C port, and you can connect your headphones to the power. After that, near to USB-C port we have the LED light, and it meaning that your headphones are charging. So you can check it with this LED light, but also we can use an application. Your headphones should be turned on and connected with the application. So open Marshall Bluetooth. Right here at the left top we have better percentages, and if you connect your headphones to the power, now as you can see at this icon, it change, and this icon mean that your headphones are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.